I was sent these lip stains. I'm going to put them on, but also show you how it's a 3-in-1. So you can do your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes with them. They're inspired by fruit colors. So apple, cherry, watermelon, and strawberry. So definitely some lighter ones and then the darker ones. Let's see what they look like. Now it has vitamin E, which is moisturizing. And then this is the little wand it comes with. Let's start with the lip. It smells really good. Ooh, that's pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's a nice little lip stain. It's 24-hour long wear as well. Now I'm going to try the next color and we'll try that one as the blush. So let's see how blendable this is. Also smells really good. Okay, a little nervous for that, but I think it's going to look really, really pretty on. Oh, wow. Yeah. So blend, 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 right? Don't want it to be streaky. That's super pretty. It's very dramatic on your cheek if you want like that pop of color. I do have a brush over here, so I'm just gonna blend a little bit. It's very gorgeous color right there. So a little does go a long way on the cheek, but actually that looks so pretty. I love the idea of using a liquid instead of just a powder for my blush. I'm gonna do a little less on this side since I went a little strong before. All right, so very, very pretty, beautiful on your cheeks. And now let's check it out on as an eyeshadow. So I do have 2 colors left here. These are the darkest colors. I'm gonna save this one to do as a lip tint, and we'll put this one on as the eyeshadow. Okay. So this I'm going to apply first just to my index finger, just because I haven't done it yet. I don't want to do too much on there. That's so pretty. Definitely a gorgeous like pink color. Very, very blendable. I really like that. Okay, let's do this side. And I just did like a little bit on my finger. You could use a brush. You could use this brush if you wanted to, just be a little more dramatic since you'd be applying more. I think that's a gorgeous color. So really pretty for the eye area. Now you can see this is blended a lot more. It looks very natural as a blush. And the lip color is still staying on strong and beautiful. But I'm going to show you what the darkest color looks like. So the darkest one, we have watermelon and cherry. They both look pretty similar, but actually the cherry color is a little bit darker, so we'll put that one on last as the lip stain. That's what it looks like. Oh, wow, that's bold. I was not expecting it to be that red and bold, and it's beautiful. What an amazing red lip color. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. So I feel like all these colors are so pretty on, and if you're looking for a really good lip stain that's a 3-in-1, I think you're gonna love them. Check it out.